What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 24th of July. It's Thursday. It's 5:17 a.m. on the East Coast. A little bit of panic in the market yesterday's as far as altcoins. Bitcoin sitting pretty quiet, but some altcoin sell-off. At least some people are panicking. I wouldn't call it a complete panic sell-off, but hey, markets don't go up every day, just like they don't go down every day either. Taking a look here at Aerodrome Finance / United States dollar. This is a daily chart. So taking a look here at the charts real quick this morning, we still got some pretty solid resistance. The 98.599 level for Aerodrome. So we had support on this pullback. So yesterday, Wednesday the 23rd, we actually closed above our 901 level. They call it 90 cents. That's this yellow line right here. You can see we traded below it, closed above it. That was nice. Today we're actually below it. It doesn't mean we won't close above it. Got some time left here for the for today's trading session, so we're going to keep an eye on that. Next level below the market, we have an 84, but we're really looking for the 82.57. That's this yellow line on the chart. So if the sell-off does continue, 82.57. And then you could look up there at the 84.38 level. That's the blue line. So the blue and the yellow line. If we continue to sell off, watch this low right here from the 19th of July, 85.565. Watch that low as well. If we undercut that, there's a good chance we're heading down to 82.57. Still have our cross here, golden cross, but again, we're pulling back. We'll see. I don't think this rally is over. I could be wrong. Again, I don't know which video I said it in yesterday. Everybody was so freaking bullish, with wild price targets that they needed a little reality check, and that's what we're getting here in the markets, at least for the altcoins. We'll look at Bitcoin in just a moment. As far as upside targets, guys, 107, 109, 111, those all still remain right up here. Again, this could be nothing, just but a slight cooling off. Allow the moving averages to catch up before the next break to the upside. We'll know soon enough if we start to get some real breaks in the market. But so far, we're not breaking anything, any important price levels that could stun the uptrend, at least right now. Could change, though, today. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Again, here's Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you wouldn't know that anything sold off if you were just looking at the Bitcoin chart yesterday. We're just hanging out up here at 116,834. So, whether we make another break, we'll know soon enough. 130 is my next target. If we start to head up that way and take out the highs over here from the 14th of July at 123, 230, 107, we're going to see markets rocket across the board. So we'll have to see if that takes place or not. If we start to break down in this zone, well, then maybe we're not going to see a continued rally, at least any time soon. But so far, we're holding at 116,834 as support. Let's take a look over here. CoinMarketCap. So CoinMarketCap, let's make sure this is up to date. Fear and greed, we're sitting at a 67. Definitely in the greed still. Let's head over to so we had a massive drop in the altcoin season index. Let's see here. Yesterday it says 43. We were definitely higher, so I don't know why it doesn't tell us that. We were in the 50s, I believe. Anyways, that got crushed because altcoins sold off. So we'll see if that comes back up or not. Eventually it will, whether it's soon or not, time will tell. Here's our Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin 61, ETH at 11, and others at 27. So we'll see how this plays out, guys. Again, I don't see too much trouble across the board. I didn't have any altcoins stopped out. Close, but not yet. Back to the charts. Again, 116 for Bitcoin is support. And then Same with Aerodrome. The long position over in our trading zone membership portfolio remains long still, so nothing to be concerned about just yet. Guys, all links down below. Thanks for watching. Of course, not financial advice. Any questions, let me know down in the comments. My email's down there. Send me an email if you have any questions. Also, the link for the memberships down there if that's something you're interested in. And it's not just crypto. It's mostly not crypto, actually. It's mostly stocks, ETFs, with a handful of cryptocurrencies in there as well. And we're looking to add more products, potentially some futures products in there. Check it out if you want. You guys have a great Thursday.